Yeah, hello, zusammen. I'll just do the first minute in English. I just have a personal regard to a family in Norway. The coach who was national team coach before me, Åge Hareide, he passed away last night. So I had a text from his son, and the former captain Simon Kjær called me up. So we, of course, it's a big person in Scandinavia. He coached Denmark before me. He coached Norway. He coached Iceland. 10 different clubs in Scandinavia. So it's a big personality in football. I went to see him earlier this year in Molde in Norway. So besides being a good colleague, he was also close to me. So I pay respect to his family back in Norway, and I hope for the best. And I think in football, we're also a football family. We're not only competitors, but we're also one big football family. So all my best to the family in Norway, and for Danish football and Scandinavian football. This is a big person we say goodbye to.